Well, this is a celebration of excellence, innovation, and impact in rural and regional marketing across South and Southeast Asia. And with the help of these awards, we'd like to recognize, appreciate the efforts and contribution, the significant contribution made by all of you towards the rural sector. And they say that universe has a very unique way of acknowledging us. Whatever we want more from the world, they say start giving more of it and you'll start getting it back. Let's try it because we really should appreciate each other for the good work, for the excellent contribution that we've all made in this wonderful field. Can I request everybody to please rise up? Leave your mobile phones aside for a while. Leave all the distractions aside for a while today. Smile is a mandate for me. Smile, everyone. And now we're appreciating each other for the good work, the consistency that we've shown. Right? Are we ready to do that? So, can I see everybody's right hand up in the air? Say hi. Oof, I can't hear you all. Hi. Now, bring this right hand towards the person standing on your right hand side. Take it to the back of the person on the right. Put it on the back of the person and just say, "Good job, buddy, you're amazing." Don't hit each other in case you don't like your partner. In case there's nobody on your right hand side, you can pat in the air. It's very hot in Delhi. Please do the similar thing on the people standing on your left. Pat their back and say, "You're awesome, good job." In the air also in case there's nobody. So you're so happy, right? And now the most important person, that is you yourself. Please be your biggest cheerleaders always and always. So with both your hands, can we pat our back and just say, "I am amazing, I am awesome." Thank you so much. Please applaud for yourselves once again. And please settle down. I'm your host for this absolutely fantastic gathering, the August gathering. My name is Swati. I'll be your Sutradhar. I'll walk you through this fantastic evening. And once more, I'd request, please keep your mobile phones on airplane or silent mode. And also, in case you wish to click pictures, please do as many and use the hashtag Flame Awards SCA 2025. Let's make this evening go absolutely viral. And first thing first, I want everybody to please rise up again for the national anthem this time.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Please settle down. Thank you so much. And to officially and formally begin this evening, with an auspicious start, I now invite the RMAI NAC team, members of the executive committee and the office bearers to kindly come up on the stage for the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. Well, the traditional lamp lighting ceremony here in India holds a very, very auspicious meaning. It is an epitome of good luck and also dispels darkness from light. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Please settle down. Can we once start this evening with wholeheartedly by saying Ganpati Bappa? Thank you. Well, it is said that if you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk in a team. And I'd like to thank our wonderful, wonderful team without whom this evening wouldn't have been possible. So, our entrants, our partners, our sponsors, our jury members, our delegates, and the entire Flame Awards management team, a heartfelt thank you to all of you. And to the Rural Marketing Association of India for curating yet another meaningful edition of the awards. Thank you all once again for joining us this grand evening of excellence in rural marketing. Well, about our MAI, as we all know, has been at the forefront of driving impactful marketing practices in rural India. Through initiatives like the Flame Award Southeast Asia, we aim to recognize and celebrate the outstanding efforts of those who have made significant contributions in this field. And this year, we have introduced a special category, Mahakumbh, this year, and we have received a very overwhelming, a very enthusiastic response from our neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, and Thailand, making this a truly international event. I think this calls for a huge round of applause. And before we begin the presentation ceremony, we would like to extend our heartfelt thank you to our sponsors, Case Construction Equipment India Limited. Let's now have a look at their audio-visual presentation.
Progress belongs to the realists. The roll up your sleeves and get the job done types. The I have an idea people. The let's try it brigade. You see, real progress belongs to the realists. Those who look the world straight in the eye. Who don't underestimate the challenge and won't let it overcome them. Those who share experience to multiply the results. Trust their heritage and their intuition. Their decisions, their actions, their team. This is how legendary companies are built. How communities are created. How legacies are born. Because while the meek may inherit the earth, it's the realists who make it better. Case. Experts for the real world since 1842.
Jerome Increase Case was one of those men who was ahead of his time, a time when the industrial age was just beginning to take its first tentative steps, a time when men, like him, literally envisaged the future of the industrialized world through the power of their dreams. The year was 1842. While the first suspension bridge in the United States was dedicated in Philadelphia, Jerome Case founded the Racine Threshing Machine Works in Wisconsin, which built machines capable of threshing 10 times more wheat than the existing hand-powered methods. After 23 years of activities, Case adopted his first company logo, Old Abe, the famous eagle mascot of Company C of the 8th Wisconsin Regiment during the American Civil War. Then, in 1869, the year of Mahatma Gandhi's birth, he began manufacturing steam-powered threshers, which proved to be a resounding success in the market. By the time of the dedication of the Statue of Liberty in 1886, Case had become the world's largest manufacturer of steam-powered machines. In 1894, the company was already exporting its machines to Europe and South America, and went on to make road-building equipment. In 1957, Case introduced the world's first backhoe, which revolutionized the construction industry. In 1969, man first walked on the moon, and Case reached even greater heights by producing skid steer loaders. Then, after 75 years of making Old Abe, the most famous bird in agriculture history, Case changed its logo, which had already spanned 5 continents. 1982, the world's biggest hydroelectric plant, Itaipu, was dedicated in Brazil, and Case celebrated the 25th anniversary of its first backhoe. Furthermore, its line had been included on Fortune magazine's list of the 100 best American products. In the mid-1990s, construction of the Eurotunnel was completed, and Case celebrated its 150th anniversary. Dolly becomes a media celebrity, and Case introduces the new generation skid steer loader. With the best performance in the market, it earns the reputation as an extreme machine. The third millennium has arrived, and Case celebrates the production element and define the future of construction.
Can we applaud for this, please? We also thank our media partner, EFAX, and our in-house digital partner, Natter Digital Solutions Private Limited, for their invaluable support. Can we acknowledge that? A very special thanks to our jury chair, Dr. Venkatram Vasantavada, CEO, Seedworks International Limited, for his valuable time and effort. Can we acknowledge that? We also extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our jury members, both domestic and international, for their valuable time, insights, and contributions in upholding the integrity and credibility of the Flame Awards. And now, to bring this evening into perspective, may I please invite on stage Mr. Puneet Vidyarthi, President RMAI, to deliver the welcome address and also to set the tone of the evening. Can we acknowledge him with a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you.
Thank you, Swati. Thanks for the drills which Swati helped us to do in the beginning. First of all, thank you very much, everyone, for making it convenient to join us to celebrate the success of our joint effort. It's a Friday evening, and it's also an evening of the festival of Rakhi. So first of all, मेरी तरफ से हम सभी को राखी की बहुत-बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और इस सुंदर, पवित्र, खूबसूरत त्योहार के शुभ मौके पर अपनी खुशियों को हम बढ़ाते हैं। Let's celebrate the flagship event of RMAI, Flame Awards. Uh, Gentlemen, ladies, children, I can't see, but those who are back home, those who are here, those who are not here, and those who are on the way still. That was not planned. Good evening, good afternoon. That's nice. It's my absolute pleasure to welcome us all to this Flame Awards Southeast Asia. And we represent the emerging markets. So that's a proud moment to, achieve something and then celebrate. The celebration of excellence, innovation, and impact in rural and development of marketing across the region. So we have a very unique position in the marketplace. We are not a rural space. We are not into rural space purely. We are into the space of the marketing efforts in the rural space. So it's a very unique position we have and a very progressive position we have. And as the harbinger of the cause in this area, we are actually delighted to look back and see what we have achieved in these years. Okay. This evening makes more than just an award ceremony. It's a celebration of a journey. It's a movement that recognizes the incredible work being done on the ground, in villages, in small towns, and in communities where the real transformation takes place. Not only in India, but across Southeast Asia, we are seeing the ideas that are bold, the campaigns that are rooted in the local insights, and the initiatives that are not only changing the consumer behavior, but changing the lives. And that is something which we are proud of. It's this spirit that Flame Awards aims to honor, which is an important point to note. My personal congratulations and best wishes to all the nominees and the winners. It's important to get nominated. It's important to get recognized as the player who is participating in the journey. Truly, your spirit inspires us. My personal appreciation to all the partners, sponsors, and the jury members. On behalf of RMAI, thank you for all your support and the belief in the platform. And I also personally appreciate the time and the mind space which each of these jury members have actually invested, I would say, towards the cause of RMAI, the rural, and the cause of Flame Awards, which makes the award so important and relevant. To everyone in this room, thank you very much for being the part of this shared vision. I'm actually delighted to share with you that for the first time, and we are progressing, as I said. For the last couple of years, we had been having our colleagues from our neighboring countries participating in this award. May I request everyone coming from Nepal to please stand up and let's cheer and clap for our colleagues coming from Nepal. Thank you, sir. Please have a seat. Unfortunately, our colleagues from another neighboring country, Bangladesh, couldn't make it in time because of logistical issues. But in absentia, if we can, clap for them as well. They had also submitted some good work for us for this evening. And most interestingly, for the first time, we also have our colleagues from Thailand. Sir, if you can please stand up so that people can see and recognize. Thank you for taking this shared vision to the, even farther corners of Southeast Asia. We really appreciate, and we'll work together. All of us will work to take it, to a greater height. To sum up, I just wish that let this evening be a reminder of the good work, which doesn't only deserve the result; it actually deserves a recognition of the feat which all of us have together achieved. So without taking much time, I hand it back to Swati and let the celebrations begin.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for your kind words.
So I am reminded by my fellow colleague Sunny. Just before this awards, we had the AGM of RMAI, and I'm happy to share with you that from this year onwards, we are expanding the wings of RMAI, and we have today inaugurated the Nepal chapter of RMAI. Ujia will be, Ujia, please come. Ujia will be leading the Nepal chapter of RMAI. Ujia, if you can say a few words. You can repeat the speech which you made earlier. Come.
Thank you very much for inviting me here. It's been quite few years. I've been coming here quite frequently and meeting all of you, and all the RMAI executive board members as well. I'm really delighted for this opportunity to take similar, platform into my country and hopefully learn best practices that we have in India and also from Nepal, most probably, bring it to India. And I really wish that this is going to be a successful journey, and it's just the beginning. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. And now we extend our sincere thanks to Ernst & Young, our trusted tabulation partner for the Flame Awards. May I now invite Mr. Kabir Khattar, Business Development, Media and Entertainment at EY, to kindly come on stage and share a few words with us.
Thank you, Swati. Good evening, distinguished delegates, jury members, participants, ladies and gentlemen. I am from Ernst & Young, and we are the official tabulators for RMAI Flame Awards Southeast Asia 2025. It was extremely crucial to have a fair and robust awards process. I'll briefly take you through the process and procedures followed for determining the winners of the awards. The awards aim to recognize excellence in marketing, promotion, and initiatives implemented in rural markets of India and South Asian countries. In this edition of awards, applications were invited across 9 categories: BTL Promotional and Activation, BTL Channel Development and Trade Activation Campaign, BTL Integrated and Social Development Campaign, BTL Digital and Social Media Campaign of the Year, Technology, Emerging Categories South Asia, Special Categories Startup of the Year, and the one we all talked about, the Prayag Mahakumbh Mela 2025. As official tabulators, EY's role was to support the integrity of the evaluation process by ensuring transparency and accuracy in moderating the expert jury panel and tabulating the final results, determining the medals in each categories and subcategories. All entries were checked for eligibility before being assessed by industry experts. The jury reviewed applications and videos, scoring each entry on criteria like creativity, impact, and innovation. EY compiled the scores to select winners, ensuring fairness through discussions with the jury members, jury chairman, and other members as well. Based on the final discussion, medals are allocated as per the benchmark set for each category. It thus gives us immense pleasure to be associated with all the stakeholders involved in the awards as the official tabulators. On behalf of Ernst & Young, I'd like to congratulate all the participants for their great efforts and for all the winners for making it so far. I hope you all have a great evening, and thank you so much.
Thank you for this insightful address, sir. Well, we come to the main part of the evening, that is the presentation ceremony. But let's get some energy rolling in the room. How's the Josh? No Josh. How's the Josh? Hi, hi, hi. How's the Josh, everyone? M na cholbe, yaar, M na cholbe. Acha. Okay, do we have anybody here by any chance? Do we have any old soul school who has a family photograph in their wallet? We're not going digital. No, I'm not talking about the mobile phone. Anybody who has their family photograph in their wallets? Any old soul at heart? No one. Absolutely no one. No mobile phones allowed. Nobody. अच्छा सिर्फ वाइफ की सिर्फ मम्मी की हाँ जी सर so this is who all are there your wife and your daughter please applaud for him sir what's your good name Kamaldeep Singh ji sir you know what you've just won I was told that we have to do these quick quizzes and the team RMAI is going to gift you or whoever will be able to crack whatever quizzes we are going to throw. They'll gift you a trip to Uganda, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
So you're willing to go?
Definitely.
Thank you, sir. But I'm just joking. You get a lot of blessings from our side.
That is most important.
That is the most important thing.
Yes.
Thank you. So sweet of you. Thank you. Please settle down, sir. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, the spotlight is on, lights, camera, action, I must say. It's time to celebrate the excellence, innovation, and impact. So get ready to witness the best of the ideas, the campaigns, and the change makers. So buckle up as we begin with the Flame Awards Southeast Asia 2025 ceremony. And ladies and gentlemen, let's get this evening rolling with our first category for the evening. So our first category of the evening is BTL, Channel Development and Trade Activation Campaign of the Year. And for the same, can I please invite on stage Mr. Biswa Baran Chakrabarti, National Advisory Committee Member, RMAI, to kindly felicitate the first category awardees. So finally, the first subcategory under this is Best Consumer and Retail Campaign of the Year, and the nominations are here on the screen. Okay, so it's time to announce the winners now. The bronze is backed by Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name The Happy Bag. So the drill that we all did in the starting to appreciate each other by saying good job, that was for this purpose. Congratulations, and silver is backed by Impact Communications Private Limited. Campaign name Back to School. Okay, here there is a twist. Please come on the stage. It's the same team, right? Please come on the stage. But now, from here on, whoever is the winner, you can't come plainly just walking here. Firstly, smile is mandatory, and then you have to give a shout out, Yahoo, and come on the stage. So the entire team has to shout Yahoo. Can we do that? silver. Congratulations to the winner. And the next subcategory, Best Last Mile Initiative of the Year. And the nominations are well, time to reveal the winners. Bronze is backed by Anugrah Madison, campaign name Caltext Commitment Ki Drive. Come on winners, can I request all the winners to come running up here on the stage? Everybody, can I have your hands up in the air? This is just the start. Way to go. Well, bronze is also backed by Cowana Media Private Limited for the campaign name Last Mile First Choice Lanevo Farmer Drive. Come on, congratulations, and can we make some noise for them? Well, bronze is also backed by Impact Communications Private Limited, campaign name Tata Tea Agni Wholesale Activation. Yeah, let's do that. At least the table should be cheering the loudest. And we absolutely forgot saying Yahoo! Well, bronze is also backed by Anugrah Madison, campaign name HPCL Dil Milao HPC. And now time for the silver. Silver is backed by Coromandel International Limited, campaign name Gromo Nutri Clinic, touching over 1 million farmers through integrated agronomy services. Yahoo, sir! Well, next subcategory, Best Product Seeding Campaign of the Year. And the nominations are and time for the winners. The certificate is backed by Anugrah Madison, campaign name HPCL Dil Milao HPC. Once again. before I announce the bronze winners, I have one question again, and whoever will answer will win a trip to Uganda. Very intelligent audience, I must say. So you have to tell me what was the quality of Milkha Singh. Fast what? Fast runner. Fast runner, sprinter, we all agree? Yes? So we need to catch the speed of Bhag Milkha Bhag now. Whoever the winner is, we need to come running on the stage. We're giving a competition to Milkha Singh today. So it's time to announce the bronze winners. Dhanuka Agritech Limited, campaign name Lanivo, on ground seeding performance harvesting trust. Do we have anyone from the team? Okay, moving on. Koana Media Private Limited, campaign name Paina Seeding Trust, not just product. So Yahoo! And bronze is also backed by Impact Communication Private Limited, campaign name Samriddhi Seeding Activation. Congratulations to all the beautiful ladies here. And the next subcategory, Best Trade Engagement Campaign of the Year. And the nominations are time to announce the winners. The certificate is backed by Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Tata Tea Agni Wholesale Activation. Can we place this table here on the stage only? Congratulations, and time for the bronze winners. Impact Communications Private Limited, campaign name Marsh Wrigley Bolt Wholesale Campaign. Congratulations! Bronze is also backed by Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Samriddhi Seeding Activation. Guys, the tagline, Yahoo, come on, the entire table should be shouting. And bronze is also backed by Insight India Network for the campaign name Super Spicy Express. Sir Milkha Singh giving competition. next subcategory. Our next subcategory. Best Visibility and Visual Merchandising Campaign of the Year. And the nominations are time to announce the winners. And the bronze is backed by Posterscope India for the campaign name Legrand Ganpati. Posterscope India. Do we have anyone from the team? Ma'am, come running up. Congratulations! Well, bronze is also backed by Anugrah Madison for the campaign name Wow Fruity, more than just visibility. Gold is backed by Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Back to School. For the category 2, Biswasar, sorry, we need to make you wait here. We really like your smile and the stage is absolutely brightened up with your smile, so we'll not let you go back. And we also request Mr. Siddharth Jain from Bharat Pay to please join us on stage to felicitate the next few awardees along with Biswasar. Well, this is category 2, BTL Digital and Social Media Campaign of the Year. And the first category under this, Best Campaign Leveraging Technology, Experience and Engagement. And the nominations are here as follows. Okay, it's time for the winners. So bronze is backed by Hoopla Interactive Services, campaign name Miravis Duo, AI personalization, a national launch with a personal touch. Come on, you guys. Can we have you guys running up on stage? Well, silver is backed by campaign name Reliance Digital, Digitronic Squad, Digital Treasure Hunt. Anugrah Madison. Can we applaud for them, please? And silver is also backed by Impact Communication Private Limited for the campaign name Superheroes of Tamil Nadu. Congratulations, it's time for the gold winners. Well, under gold, there are 3 winners. The first one is Impact Communications Private Limited for campaign name Ashirwad Aata Bihu. Well, gold is also backed by Insight India Network for campaign name हर शहर मिलेंगे माइलेज की लहर. Congratulations. And gold is also backed by Insight India Network for the campaign name मेरे घर की अग्नि. Congratulations. Well, that's the same team again. And our next subcategory is Best Use of Mobile, and the nominations are and time to reveal the winners. It's time for the silver winners, Corteva Agri Science for the campaign name Delegate Double Dhamaka. Congratulations! Next up, the silver winners are Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Galaxy Jewels Rakhi Activation. Well, next up, silver is also backed by Coromandel International Limited for the campaign name Grow More NutriConnect, a WhatsApp-based digital solution for agronomic enablement. So can we all assemble in the center? We'll have a better picture. All of us in the center. And also in the silver, we have Natter Digital Solutions Private Limited for the campaign name Mahakumbh Ka Mahasankalp. Come on, boys, come on, running up. Can we have the music, please, for the winners? And time to announce the gold winners. That's Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Superheroes of Tamil Nadu. Congratulations! Our next subcategory, Best Use of Social Media, and the nominations are and time to reveal the winners. Silver is backed by Pidilite Industries Limited for the campaign name M-Seal. Easy Seal, seal the deal. Congratulations. Everybody, can we appreciate them, please? And in the silvers, once again, we have Impact Communication Private Limited campaign name Bingo Bhokal Lokum. Guys, I'm serious, ये टेबल स्टेज पे ही लगा देते हैं, right? And time for the gold winners. Anugrah Madison, campaign name Pulse Ek Avatar Anek. Gold is also backed by TVS Credit Services Limited, campaign name The Fantastic Five, campaign by TVS Credit. And gold is also backed by Coromandel International Limited for campaign name From Farms to Feeds, Coromandel Digital Leap in Rural Agri Engagement. The next subcategory, innovative measurement and monitoring tools. And the nominations are okay, so it's time to call for the winners. The silver is backed by Coromandel International Limited for the campaign name Prosper and Prachand Scheme. And silver is also backed by Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Bonvita Nutrition Express. Thank you, finally, gentlemen. Thank you so much. Acha, before these two wonderful gentlemen leave the stage, am I allowed to appreciate them, Shrija? बाहर तो नहीं हो जाऊंगी मैं RMI से? Okay. So for their two beautiful, enchanting smiles, इनकी मुस्कुराहट ने हमारे होश उड़ा दिए. वाह वाह तो कीजिए. इनकी मुस्कुराहट ने हमारे होश उड़ा दिए. भाई हम होश में आने वाले थे, ये दोनों फिर मुस्कुरा दिए. थैंक यू फॉर सच स्मार्टलिंग स्माइल. थैंक यू विश्व सर. थैंक यू विश्व सर, आपको डबल थैंक यू. आप ज्यादा देर रहे स्टेज पे. थैंक यू. वेल, नेक्स्ट अप for the next category, that is category 3, BTL Integrated and Social Development Campaign of the Year. Can I please invite on stage Mr. Khurram Askari, Managing Director, Insight India Network, and also Mr. Dinesh Tyagaraja, Associate Director, Shopper Marketing, Tata Consumer Limited. Can I request Dinesh sir also to please join us here on stage to felicitate the third category of awardees. Okay, so the first subcategory is Best Integrated Campaign of the Year, and the nominations are time to reveal the winners, and the silver is backed by TVS Credit Services Limited for the campaign name Ab wait nahi upgrade karo by TVS Credit. The next silver is backed by Impact Communications Private Limited. भाई क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? For the campaign name आशीर्वाद आटा बिहू. By the way, to these winners, Bihu is also a dance form. Does anybody know this step? I'm sure they all know. Gaya trip to Uganda. Well, next up, the silver is backed by Insight India Network, campaign name EV City. Do we have the winners here? Can we come running up on the stage, ladies? And silver is also backed by Nata Digital Solutions Private Limited for the campaign name Mahakumbh Ka Mahasankalp. And silver is also backed by Guys, I need to hear a Yahoo because you're also not smiling. You've just won an award. Before I announce the next subcategory, can I announce a good news? All the gentlemen, I'm sure they're waiting for it. The bar is now open. Right behind you. You can go grab your glasses also, but please come back because the presentation is still on. Thank you. And now time for the next subcategory, Best Long-Term Campaign, and the nominations are Okay, time to call for the winners, and the certificate is backed by CNH Industrial India Limited, Private Limited for the campaign name Sustainable Environment Solution. Okay, moving on. Silver is backed by Impact Communication Private Limited for campaign name Born Vita Nutrition Express.
There are too many lies about house music.
So I guess we should have extra shots for Impact Communications for sure. And silver is also backed by Coromandel International Limited for the campaign name Grow More, Paramforce, Recharge, Repositioning a Legacy Fertilizer through Targeted BTL and Consumer Promotion Scheme. Silver is also backed by Postiscope India for campaign name HUL H2H. Congratulations, time for the gold winners to be announced. That's Mahadhan Agritech Limited for the campaign name Balanced Nutrition Drive for Sustainable Farming. Congratulations. Can we applaud for them? Congratulations, and gold is also backed by Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Samriddhi Seeding Activation. And the next subcategory here is sustainability and social campaigns, and the nominations are well, time to announce for the winners. The silver winner is Impact Communication Private Limited for the campaign name Himalaya Prepare Your Baby Bag Mahakumbh. That's the campaign name Himalaya Prepare Your Baby Bag Mahakumbh. Mother, I want to ask Impact Communication Private Limited, आज फुल मैनिफेस्टेशन के साथ आए थे क्या सब? ये सबसे ज़्यादा अवार्ड्स लेके जाने हैं. Sorry? Absolutely. And today, by the way, is also very strong day for manifestation. It's also the Lionsgate portal, by the way. Yeah. Okay, so next up for the silvers, once again, we have Natter Digital Solutions Private Limited for the campaign name Mahakumbh Ka Mahasankalp. Natter Digital Solutions Private Limited. Guys, just one humble request. You can get your snacks and your glass and please come back, return to the table because your name can be announced anytime. And we have a long list. We don't want our attendees to sleep during this session. Please come, hurry up on the stage. Natter Digital Solutions Private Limited. And gold winners are Case Construction Equipment India Limited for the campaign name Project Milab. Come on, cheer for them. Can we make some noise for them, please? And the next subcategory, Best Social Development Campaign of the Year, and the nominations are Okay, time to call out the winners. The certificate is backed by Impact Communication Private Limited for the campaign name Amra Durga. Congratulations, and bronze is backed by Fredo Rentals, Hero Motor Corp Limited for the campaign name Bike Bhi Rozgar Bhi. Do we have the team here? And bronze is also backed by Insight India Network for the campaign name Mere Ghar Ki Agni. ये घर की अग्नि नहीं है तो घर की लक्ष्मी है जो स्टेज पे आ रही है. थोड़ा सा प्लीज मेक सम नॉइज फॉर देम. And bronze is also backed by Insight India Network for the campaign name MTR Ruchi Sambaralu. That's the same team. Where is your entire team sitting, by the way? Can we make some noise for them? And time for the gold winners. It's any guesses? Impact Communications Private Limited for campaign name Himalaya. Prepare your baby bag Mahagum. जहाँ पना तुसी ग्रेट हो तोहफा कबूल करो. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. I'm sure that it's been a long wait. Thank you. I know everybody is just sitting and just clapping. Some are not even clapping. Some have eyes only on the bar. So small drill for everybody once again. Can we all please rise up once again? Please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. छोड़ दो थोड़ी देर के लिए खाना पीना. It's going to be on. Can we leave our mobile phones and थोड़ा सा scattered हो जाते हैं? Because you guys have just been sitting. Some are clapping, some are ecstatic, super excited. 6 small drill for all of you. Everybody, are we ready? But with the hand gestures. So come on, 3, 2, 1. Once again, पीछे वालों की आवाज नहीं आई, उनका दिमाग दिल दिमाग सोल सिर्फ दारू में. Come on, once again. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Now smile at each other once again. Compliment each other and please settle down. It's time for the fourth category. Please bear with us. It's a long list. So kindly bear with us and keep reminding yourself that all is well and we can do it, right? Okay. So time for the fourth category. This is BTL Promotional and Activation Campaign, and this is going to be presented by, can I please request Mr. Puneet Vidyarthi and Dr. Anoop Kalra to please join us on the stage for the felicitation of the fourth category. Sir, you must be Dr. Anoop Kalra. Sir, you specialize in animal? तो ये डॉक्टर्स को देखते ही पता लग जाता है. सर, आई जस्ट हैव वन क्वेश्चन. सर, यू गाइज स्टडी सो मच, इतनी बुक्स आप खत्म कर देते हैं, कभी कर्सिव राइटिंग क्यों नहीं प्रैक्टिस करते थे बचपन में? मतलब कैन एनीबडी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द डॉक्टर राइट्स? कभी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन समझ आई है किसी को हियर इन द रूम? Nobody is interested. They're like, क्या बोल रही है? We need to drink. They are busy with the drink, so they're like, don't disturb us. Okay. All right. Okay. So the first subcategory is Brand Awareness Campaign of the Year. The nominations are Okay, let's quickly move to the winners now. Silver is backed by Anugrah Madison. Campaign name Bajaj Mahakumbh Seva Kendra. Warmth for the unstoppable spirit. Silver is also backed by Coromandel International Limited for the campaign name Project Grow More, Grow Shakti, driving brand equity and balanced nutrition. And silver is also backed by PNB Housing Finance Limited for the campaign name Roshni Mascot. And gold is backed by Impact Communication Private Limited for the campaign name The Happy Bag. Gold is also backed by Insight India Network, campaign name Mahindra EV City. Insight India Network. And the next subcategory is Direct Marketing Campaign of the Year, and the nominations are Okay, moving on to the winners. Bronze is backed by Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Born Vita Nutrition Express. And bronze is also won by Insight India Network campaign name ITC Ma Inti Superstar Campaign. Time for the silver winners. Silver is backed by Impact Communication Private Limited for the campaign name Superheroes of Tamil Nadu. Well, the entire table has to shout out Yahoo. याहू नहीं आया, हु आया. Well, you can sing आगे का भी, याहू के बाद भी गा सकते हैं आप लोग. Okay, the next subcategory is education and the nominations are And time for the winners. The certificate goes to Kowana Media Private Limited for the campaign name Learning Through Play, Gromor's Gamified Ethics Drive. And bronze is bagged by Case Construction Equipment India Limited, campaign name Hunar Junior, Backhoe Loader Operator Skills. Well, the next subcategory is ethno marketing, and the nominations are Moving to the winners, bronze is backed by Star Union Daiichi Life Insurance Company Limited for the campaign name Insurance Awareness Campaign. Silver winners has a lot of names under it. Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Ashirwad Aata Bihu. Well, silver is also backed by Impact Communications Private Limited for the campaign name Sun Feast Surjalya. And once again, silver is also backed by Impact Communication Private Limited for the campaign name Yippee Chappan Bowls. Silver is backed by Postoscope India for campaign name Amphi Kumbh Mela. And the next subcategory, Experiential Marketing Campaign of the Year, and the nominations are okay, moving to the winners. Bronze is backed by Anugrah Madison campaign name Haisha Pain, celebrating arts of Odisha. Well, in the bronze category, we have Insight India Network campaign name Har Sheher Mileage Ki Leher TVS Sport.
3, 2, 1, go!
Well, in the silver, under the silver, we have Anugrah Madison, campaign name Pulse Ek Avatar Anek. Come on, guys, let's appreciate them. I appreciate your patience. Thank you for bearing with us. Silver is also backed by Impact Communications Private Limited. Campaign name Ashirwad Salt Iodine Ka Cheetah. And the gold winners, Impact Communications Private Limited, campaign name Big Fantasies, Dark Fantasy. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Well, can I now request Mr. Sandeep Bansal, Treasurer, RMAI, and Mr. Pavan Bansal from Jagran Engage to please join us on the stage to felicitate the remaining fourth category awardees. All right. अच्छा, before I'm really tempted to do this since sir ने मुझे idea दे दिया कि I wanted to do this after this category, but since you gave me the idea, okay. Before I call for the next subcategory in the category 4 only, you need to find the man or the men with the coolest hairstyle or no hairstyle. Either the coolest, both are eligible in that. Do we have more contenders? I can't hear anything. Arush and Akash. Gentlemen, थोड़ा सा आगे ही आ जाएं सिर्फ. Any more? Who's giving them competition? No hairstyle or the coolest hairstyle? Wow, ये तो बहुत ही epic है सर. Sir, you're eligible too. Any more men behind? पीछे वाले तो कह रहे हैं क्या बोल रही है, क्यों बोल रही है, पीने दे. Anybody else here? No hairstyle. कोई टेंशन नहीं. No shampoo. No गर्मी. Nobody? Achha, so the competition is between these 5 gentlemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want the audience to choose the best one here. अभी ये तो nepotism हो रहा है, ये तो nepotism है, हाँ? Please choose the best one. Sir, what's your good name? गोपाल मिश्रा जी को कितने लोग? दे दे, युगांडा भेज दे या वृंदावन भेजें? ही इज डेयरिंग, तो थाईलैंड भेज देते हैं सर. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. You get a lot of good wishes from us. This is just in all good fun. Thank you. Please. Thank you. Thank you, boys. Thank you. Well, the next subcategory is launch, relaunch event of the year. And the nominations are okay, and time for the winners. Certificate is backed by Impact Communications Private Limited. Campaign name Sharp Power of 7. Impact Communication. And certificate is also backed by Insight India Network. Campaign name My Mastercard, RBL IOCL. Insight India. Well, under the bronze, we have Dhanuka Agritech Limited. Campaign name From Problem to Protection. Lane Voas Farmer first launch. Well, bronze is also backed by Anugrah Madison. Campaign name Caltex Commitment Ki Drive. And bronze is also backed by Impact Communication Private Limited. Campaign name Gulf Superfleet Launch Event. Okay, so this is one special award for Best CSR Campaign of the Year, Project Lead. And this goes to, and this is backed by Case Construction Equipment and Sakshi. Can we please make some noise for the beautiful ladies? Well, under the same category now, the next subcategory is New On Ground Property of the Year, and the nominations are time to reveal the winners. The certificate is backed by Anugrah Madison for the campaign Shamli Mahotsav. The bronze winners are Insight India Network campaign name Mahindra EV City. Insight India Network. And bronze is also backed by Insight India Network for the campaign name Mere Ghar Ki Agni. Tata Tea Agni. And bronze is also backed by Anugrah Madison for the campaign name PD Light Khushiyon Ka Mela. And the gold. Time for the gold winners, that is backed by Impact Communications Private Limited for Ramotsav, a Mela within a Mela. Well, the next subcategory, Sales Promotion Campaign of the Year, and the nominations are time for the winners. And the silver is won by Impact Communication Private Limited for the campaign name Bingo Bhokalo Kumbh. And silver is also backed by Impact Communication Private Limited for the campaign name FENA Shakti Abhiyan. And time for the gold winners. Anugrah Madison for the campaign name HPCL Dil Milao HPC. And for people who are not applauding, we'll close the bar for them. And gold winners are also Coromandel International Limited for the campaign name Grow Plus Journey Earning Trust in every field. And gold is also won by Impact Communication Private Limited for campaign name Yippee Chappan Bowls. So, yes sir, since you've asked, so I request Bansals. Thank you so much, but same height है, फ्रेम भी सेम है. Are you actually brothers or? कुंभ के मेले में बिछड़े अब मिल गए. But very difficult, sir, to decide who's more handsome. Both are equally handsome. Please make some noise for Mr. Bansals.